Hello everyone, welcome back to Mom and Me Fun Factory. Today we are going to read a amazing quiz story. Pip's Big Vehicle Quiz.
Pip is the quiz master loves to roam looking for a friend to bring back home. She hops, she skips, she looks around for the fastest fun vehicle in town.
First, Pip finds a friend who says, "Vroom, vroom." Who am I? I travel fast and have 4 wheels. I take the family on fun new deals. I park inside a little thing called garage. I am small and not big like a bus or a barge.
Car.
Perfect. Now next on tracks, a long friend comes singing a song with rolling drums. Choo choo. Who am I? I run on rails and have many cars. I carry people near and far. I am super long, but I am never late. Moving cargo and people straight. Can you guess who am I?
Train.
Very good. Now next. Up in the sky, a speedy friend flies floating on clouds of blue and white. Whoosh! Who am I? I have big wings and I fly up in the sky. I can zoom across the whole wide sky. When I land, my pilot says, "Hooray! I take you to a holiday." Who am I?
Plane.
Yes, perfect. Aeroplane. Are you ready for the next one? Okay. On the ocean waves, a big boat sails, handling storms and water spouts. Toot, toot. Who am I? I float on water big and wide. My passengers sail on a fun ride. I carry containers all over the sea. A busy, breezy, bobbling vessel am I.
Sheep.
Yes, perfect. This is the ship. Now, are you ready for the next one? A bright red friend with a siren so loud rushes past Pip right through the crowd. Nino, Nino, who am I? I have a ladder that goes up high. I help the town when there is a scare. I spray water everywhere. Can you guess who is this?
Fire truck.
Yes, that's perfect. Very good. Now, are you ready for the next one? At the corner stop, a big yellow friend waits with many windows and an open door. Beep, beep, who am I? I pick children every day. I take them to school to learn and play. I am yellow and tall and I never fail. I follow a long route without trail.
School bus.
Amazing. Pip giggled and cheered. What a fun race! So many vehicles all in this place. Now listen up close and tell me the name. What do we call all friends in this game? A car, a train, a boat, and a plane. They all move us somewhere again and again. Ready for the answers? Put up your hands up high. It's the word for all the things you go. Say it loudly up to the sky. It starts with V and it makes our world go.
They are all vehicles. Hip hip hooray! The fastest, the loudest, the friends of the day. Now Pip has many new friends who go. Where will they take her next? Nobody knows.
Amazing! Thanks for learning with us today. We have learned so many vehicles in this quiz. See you next time.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss our next video. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.